Today we're making a baking glaze. This is something that would be brushed onto any kind of dough or short crust before it gets baked, similarly to how an egg wash might be used. It's going to create a golden and lustrous glow. It's got 3 ingredients. Sweet potato. Sweet potato gives it a rich golden color, along with some golden syrup. If you don't have that, you can use agave. And plant-based milk. If you're using xanthan gum, it's just a thickener commonly used in gluten-free baking. And so we just add that to the sugar first. If you're using it, pre-mix the xanthan gum and caster sugar before adding those two. Then we just blend it. So you can use a big blender, a hand blender, whatever you like. I'm just gonna When you use baking glaze, you probably only need 30 grams, 60 grams, or 1 or 2 ounces at a time. So this is, I wouldn't really make an amount smaller than this. So I recommend just making this batch and freezing it in an ice cube tray, popping them out into a container and using them as you need to. So you can just defrost them gently in the microwave. So I'm just gonna pour them into put this in the freezer until frozen, pop them out and use the 1 or 2 that you need at a time by putting it into a small bowl and microwaving it or gently letting it defrost until melted.